As someone once rightly said, Kashmir is that beautiful poetry of God which he wrote while experiencing together the highest form of happiness and deepest sorrow. And I couldn't agree more, since the beauty of this state can truly amaze you. Hey travel lovers, welcome to Kashmir and to this very stunning city Srinagar, which also happens to be the summer capital of Jammu and Kashmir state in India. Often known as paradise on earth, Kashmir state of India has centuries-old tradition of attracting tourism, and Srinagar city is one of the most famous tourist destinations, inviting visitors all around the year. The best months to travel here are between April to October, and the spring season with tulip flower show is the best time to visit. And during this time, there are beautiful Mughal gardens, houseboat tours on Dal Lake, apple orchards, floating market, and many such lively shopping avenues which can keep you busy. Let's check out this travel guide to Srinagar and some of the best places which you can visit here. The first one being Chashma Shahi Mughal Garden. This is one of the royal Mughal gardens built in 16th century on orders of Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, and it was a gift for his eldest son Prince Dara Shikoh. Located near Raj Bhavan in Srinagar and overlooking the famous Dal Lake, this is one of the most beautiful gardens of the town. I would highly suggest that you visit here to spend some leisure time and observe beautiful flowers blooming, especially during spring season. As a fun fact to share, this place is built around a freshwater spring, and India's former Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru used to get the water of this spring to Delhi, the capital of India, since this water is known to have some medicinal properties. Hi everyone, hope you all are doing great on this lovely Saturday. My Saturday is pretty good in fact, and I'm at this lovely Mughal garden in Kashmir at Srinagar city. This is apparently one of the most famous places to visit in India, and I'm so excited to be here. I'm coming here for the first time in fact, and yeah, so very excited. Just look at the flowers behind me. You can next visit Pari Mahal. Also known as the Palace of Fairies, this place is a famous garden in Srinagar located at the top of Zabarwar mountain range. This was originally built in 16th century and served as a residence and the library for Mughal family. And at present times, this place is a famous touristy site attracting a lot of visitors every year. This is a perfect spot should you really want to enjoy a scenic viewpoint overlooking the entire Srinagar city and also the southwest side of Dal Lake. Next, you can go for a shikara ride at Dal Lake. Dal Lake is one of the largest lakes in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, and this is one of the most popular tourist attraction of Srinagar. In fact, your trip to Kashmir would honestly be incomplete if you do not take this boat ride. Also known as Lake of Flowers or Jewel in the Crown of Kashmir, a Dal Lake tour is considered as a pride of Kashmir tourism. And with such a stunning backdrop of mountain ranges and Mughal gardens, this is surely a fun activity suitable for families, couples, and even solo travelers like me. One of the major highlights of this Dal Lake tour would be checking out houseboats, which are ideally used by travelers as their accommodation. And there are plenty of options around here to select from, depending upon your budget, of course. As a fun fact to share, a famous Bollywood movie, Mission Kashmir, was also shot on one of these houseboats known as Cheerful Charlie. So if you visit Srinagar next time, you can perhaps check this one out.
Room is a common room. Then we have a dining room over here. This is the dining area.
कश्मीर आके मैंने सोचा बोट चलानी तो जरूर सीखनी पड़ेगी शिकारा राइड द एवर फेमस शिकारा राइड and this is what I'm doing here today. So let's see if I'm able to get this right and I'll get back to you with some exciting touristy updates of Srinagar. Another major highlight of this Srinagar tour is exploring the floating market called Meena Bazaar, which is famous for a cluster of shops selling Kashmiri dress materials, handicrafts, jewelry items, and even spices like saffron. If you're good at bargaining, then you can surely buy a few gift items to take home. But I would suggest you to be careful since at times local vendors might overcharge tourists. Please tell me your name.
My name is Aslam.
आप कितने टाइम से ये बोट चला रहे हो?
मैं लगभग 15 साल से ये काम कर रहा हूँ।
आप कश्मीर से ही हो?
प्रॉपर कश्मीर का डल लेक के अंदर में रहता
डल लेक टूरिस्ट आते हैं?
बहुत आते हैं यहाँ पे टूरिस्ट।
कौन सी कंट्रीज से ज़्यादा आते हैं?
यहाँ पे ज़्यादातर आते हैं दिल्ली और मुंबई, कलकत्ता,
बैंगलोर?
ज़्यादातर तो बम्बई के आते हैं, बम्बई।
कोविड के बाद फॉरेन टूरिस्ट यहाँ पे थोड़ी कम है ना?
बहुत कम है। जब से यहाँ पे कोविड टाइम था तब से फॉरेनर नहीं आता है, ज़्यादा तो इंडियन ही आता है।
वो लोग गुलमार्ग भी जाते हैं ना?
गुलमर्ग भी अच्छा है, पहलगाम भी अच्छा है, सोनमर्ग भी अच्छा है। सबसे अच्छा तो गुलमर्ग है। गुलमर्ग में भी बहुत भीड़ है यहाँ पे अभी, बहुत रश है वहाँ।
You can next take a short break at this Nehru Park located in Dal Lake. This is located at the busiest junction and frequently visited by families for leisure activities. The park has ideal location and one can enjoy a splendid view of the lake. There is also a restaurant inside which serves tea, coffee and light snacks. And last but not the least, you can visit this famous Jawaharlal Nehru Memorial Botanical Garden. This is a huge botanical garden in Srinagar and it was set up in year 1969 in loving memory of India's first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. And you can find here huge varieties of plants, trees and flowers such as Himalayan orchids. This is also a nice serene place to relax and take a stress-free walk in nature. So guys, these were some top places which you can visit in Srinagar, and ideally it should take you about 2 days to cover all these places. If this video has inspired you to visit Srinagar, then you can now book this trip directly with me under my Bespoke Tour division. Please check the link below in description for same. Also hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such travel content. I will see you next time. Take care.